Hello friends, is your car struggling with high-speed performance? If your check engine light is on and the scanner shows code P0297, this means your vehicle has exceeded the safe speed limit. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine stress, overheating or even serious mechanical damage. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0297 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's begin. P0297 stands for Vehicle Overspeed Condition. This means your car's powertrain control module has detected that the vehicle is moving beyond the safe speed limit set by the manufacturer. This code is designed to protect the engine and transmission from excessive stress. Common symptoms of P0297: check engine light on, loss of engine power at high speeds, transmission shifts harshly or unpredictably, engine overheating, and possible limp mode activation. If your car is showing any of these symptoms, let's locate the affected components and fix the issue. To diagnose P0297, focus on these key components. Vehicle speed sensor. Usually located on the transmission housing or wheel hub, it monitors the vehicle's speed. Transmission control module. Typically found inside the transmission case or near the engine bay, it controls shifting patterns. Powertrain control module. Located in the engine bay or under the dashboard, this module manages vehicle performance. Wheel speed sensors, located on each wheel hub, they help in monitoring vehicle movement. Throttle position sensor, usually attached to the throttle body, it detects how much the throttle is open. A fault in any of these parts can trigger P0297. Common causes of P0297: faulty vehicle speed sensor, incorrect speed readings can trigger the error code. Damaged or loose wiring, corrosion, broken connectors, or short circuits in the VSS wiring harness can cause false readings. Powertrain control module issues, a malfunctioning PCM can misinterpret speed data. Transmission malfunction, a faulty TCM or solenoid may cause incorrect speed detection. Wheel speed sensor malfunction, if these sensors send incorrect data, the PCM might miscalculate speed. Alright, let's dive into the steps to fix that pesky P0297 error code. Step 1. Inspect and replace the vehicle speed sensor, or VSS, if it's faulty. Step 2. Check all wiring connections related to the VSS and PCM for any signs of corrosion or damage. Step 3. Test the transmission control module, also known as the TCM, to ensure it's functioning properly. Step 4. Examine the wheel speed sensors for dirt, damage, or incorrect readings. Step 5. Scan and reset the PCM after making repairs to see if the issue persists. And Step 6. If necessary, reprogram or replace the PCM or TCM to fix the issue permanently. Remember, addressing these steps early can prevent serious mechanical damage and keep your car running safely. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P0269. Cylinder 3 contribution balance fault, and P0270, Cylinder 4 injector circuit high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.